Well, would have gone for roadkill, but rabbit's not in season.
Who's this?
It's Malcolm Philpott.
Phil, man! How are you?
I can't complain. Michael, is that the sound of bluegrass I hear in your voice instead of Eton?
Well, locals still call me the bread.
I see you made it.
I just sat back and sipped mint juleps. Hey, how are you, buddy? Good to see you.
Good.
Yeah. What'd you do? Fall out of your easy chair?
The noble art.
Let me guess.
You should see the other guy.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what you're talking about, sweetheart.
The name's Sabrina. What are you holding back, Mike?
Not a thing. I tell it like it is, and it's like this. I'm running this field operation. Would you care to sit down?
No, sir.
Okay. You gonna just stand there?
E la carta di prendermi in giro? Non credo.
Hey, speak English.
Tu pensi di funzionare come il porco e io parlerò come ti decido io.
Porco? What's that, pork? Pig?